All right, now I have dual cameras with AI tracking. Let's see who can get past this.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, and we are out here in the beautiful Studio C. We just built this, coming to you here to talk about a cool thing about home security. And if you've ever thought about upgrading your home security, this might be one of the smartest cameras I've tested yet. This is the aosu T2 Pro, and what makes this thing different is it's actually two cameras in one. You've got a wide-angle camera watching everything and a PTZ camera that automatically tracks movement. So instead of choosing between coverage or detail, you get both at the same time. And today, I'm putting this thing through a full real-world test. I'm going to install it, I'm going to test the tracking and the detection, I'm going to check the night vision, and see if it actually replaces a full security system. Now, full disclosure, I'm doing something a little different with this install than what aosu typically recommend. So let's get into it. Joe, I see you on the backyard in the camera. Roll the clip. Alright, so for this install, I decided to do something a little unconventional. Normally, aosu recommends mounting the camera higher up on a house corner or under an eave, around 2 to 3 meters high, so the camera can maximize its viewing angle and its tracking features. And that's definitely the ideal setup for the front yard or driveway security. But in my case, I wanted to be a little different and create a really cool backyard monitoring setup. So I'm going to mount this thing directly to a palm tree in the backyard and a little lower so I can get the whole pond in view. And yes, this is not typical, but I wanted to test how flexible the system really is. And here's how I'm going to set it up. The movable PTZ camera is going to face the house and pool area and just show the pool and the walkway into the house. That way, if there's movement near my patio, my pool, or my backyard space, the camera can automatically track it. Now, whether it's someone walking through the yard, activity around the pool, or even wildlife wandering through at night, the PTZ camera can follow the action. Meanwhile, the stationary wide-angle camera is going to be aimed towards the pond behind the property. And honestly, this is going to be one of my favorite tests, because back there, we get all kinds of wildlife. I'm talking about birds, ducks, turtles, alligators, and other random animals at night. So this setup should let me monitor wildlife activity while still keeping an eye on the house and the pool at the same time. Now, one thing I do like is the adjustable arm. And since I'm mounting this to a palm tree instead of a wall, being able to fine-tune the angle makes a huge difference. And for the solar panel, I made sure to place it where it gets plenty of sunlight. And it comes with a nice long cable if you need to run it pretty far. That way, the camera can stay topped off without me needing to constantly recharge it. And setup itself is super simple. You mount the camera, you connect it in the app, you adjust your camera views, and then you're just up and running. No wiring, no electrician, no complicated setup. This is where the aosu T2 Pro really stands out. You're getting dual 3K cameras, one fixed wide view, one PTZ tracking camera, and watch this. As I walk around the pool and the backyard, the PTZ camera automatically locks on me and starts following me. And what's cool is, you still get detail from a distance. Even from farther away, near the back of the yard, you can zoom in and keep clarity. Now meanwhile, the stationary camera stays focused on the pond area. And this is honestly a really cool use case, because instead of only security, it doubles as a wildlife camera too. You can leave it running and potentially catch birds, ducks, or nighttime animals moving through. Now, the camera also has smart detection. You can set that up in the app. You shouldn't get any alerts from like throwing a ball or dropping a cardboard box. But if you walk through the frame, detected instantly. That AI filtering actually works surprisingly well. And because these cameras work independently, the wide-angle camera can stay watching the pond while the PTZ camera tracks activity around the pool and house. Now, let's see how this thing performs at night. And honestly, this backyard setup is perfect for testing because we've got the pool area, the house lights, dark pond areas, and wildlife movement. You've got multiple night modes, standard night view, color night vision, infrared mode. Now here's what my phone camera sees at night compared to what the aosu sees. Check out that huge difference. You can actually make details out way better. And even in darkness, the PTZ camera keeps tracking motion smoothly. If someone walks near our pool or backyard, it's gonna stay locked on. Now, some other nice features I like are its two-way talk, its weatherproof design, its multi-camera live view, its smart playback timeline in the app, and one thing people are going to really like, there's no monthly subscription required for any of the core features. That's honestly a huge plus. You also get built-in local storage, so you're not forced into monthly fees just to review footage. There's an SD card slot right on the side. I loaded up a 128 gig SD card right here, and it is using that to record. So after testing this thing in a pretty unique setup, I've got to say, the aosu T2 Pro is seriously impressive. Even though I installed it in a way that's different from the recommended setup, it still handled the pool monitoring, the backyard tracking, the wildlife watching at the pond, the night vision, and smart motion detection really well. And I honestly love that dual camera design. Being able to monitor two completely different areas at once, that's something you usually don't see. Now, if you guys want to check one out for yourselves, I'll have a link down in the description, and you can use this code for around 10 to 15% off. And before we end the video, I just want to say thank you, as we recently crossed 320,000 subscribers. That is an absolutely crazy number to me. And seriously, thank you so much for all your support, all your comments, your likes, your shares, all of it. You guys make this video possible. And if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget about second car street racing. Joe, when I get out of here, turn the camera off.